Looks to me the next question is going to be number 15. 43% got number 15 correct. 43%. Susan is trying to solve summation right there using a formula off the formula chart shown there. She substitutes the value n equals 10, a1 equals 7, an equals 33. Discover the sum is 200. What can be determined about Susan's work? Well, let's first figure out if she did it right or wrong. That'd be the easiest way. Let's type this in the calculator and see what that turns out to be. So let me clear off that. So how do you get this sigma symbol? SUM, sum. Type k equals 5. I'm going to change it to a k. K equals 5 to the upper bound's 14. 2k plus 5. Answer is 240. So the sum is 240. Did she do her work correctly? No, the true sum is 240. So D is out. She made an error. She made an error. For sure. Okay, so let's figure out where she made an error. Going through this, how do you find your first term? You plug in the lower bound. How do you find your last term? That's what that means right there, last term. You plug in the upper bound. And then what does n represent? How many different values? So let's find out how many different values there are. A lot of people just think, oh, 14 minus 5, it's 9. That's not how it works. You actually aren't taking away 5. You're taking away the first 4. If you wrote out all your k's, you'd have k 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. You have that many k's. If you count them up, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. N does equal 10. That is not the correct solution. Those symbols do not match up. A is out. There are 10. The quicker way, by the way, is to say we're not taking away 5. We're going to use 5. We are taking away the first 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so it'd be 14 minus 4 is the quicker way of coming up with that number. You take away whatever number comes before the lower bound. All right, let's try. Maybe she messed up her A1. How do you find A1? Do I plug in a 1? No, you plug in the lower bound. So if I plug in my lower bound, this is my lower bound. I'm plugging that into the equation. This is the equation part. So when you plug in your lower bound, A1 would equal 2 times the lower bound of 5 plus 5. What's 2 times 5?
10.
10. Add 5 more? 15. This is her error, isn't it? If A1 equals 15, it does not equal 7. That's the correct solution right there. Let's just check real quick on C. How would you find the last term? That's what that means. AN means last term. How would you get that? You plug in your upper bound. So AN, also known as A10, since we know 10, AN would be A10, because we know there's 10 of them. N is 10, would equal 2 times, do I plug in a 10 here? No, you plug in 14. 2 times 14 plus 5. What is 2 times 14? 28. Add 5? 33. It equals 33. Does not. This says does not. It does equal 33. That's not it. The answer would be B.